Learn how to copy Google Drive link. That's the link to the file you have in your Google Drive account. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and here we'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit drive.google.com and log in if you're not logged in automatically, okay? Once you are there, you will be on the Home tab, alright, which shows your recently accessed files. Click on My Drive. On clicking on My Drive, you will see some files and some folders you have on your account, alright? But here, let's focus on the files first. Let's say this particular file is what I want to generate link on or copy its link. The first step is to click on the file once. After the file is selected, click on the copy link icon. All right, this is copy link icon, so you will see it once it's selected. It will appear at the top. Click on that. Then this link is copied. Okay, so with this you can go to WhatsApp and paste it and send it to somebody you want to send it to. Or if you want to send it to somebody's email address, just open a new tab immediately and then access your Gmail or Outlook. Once the email opens, click on Compose. In the to section, type the email address of the person. So here I want to send to this guy Michael, alright? Then give it a subject. Click inside this body section for your cursor to start blinking. Right click and select the best option. Look at the Google Drive link we copied right now. So click on send. It says you should give the person a permission, only viewer, that's fine. Then allow anyone with the link to access. Okay, let's just go with this option so that anyone with the link can access, including the person with this email address. I'll click on send. So with this Google Drive link has been sent to him. So once he clicks on that, you'll be able to access the file. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section and see you some other time.